Please welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a Cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup, and of course, just to buy makeup when I don't need to, and of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is actually, it's going to be more of an eye tutorial more than anything, but I am going to do part of my face, like the blush and the highlight, and of course the lips. But yeah, so all the products I'm going to be using is the Ultimate Edit and Ash. I'm only going to be using about 2 shades of this because I'm going to do a smoky look. I'm probably using these 2 shades right here, and then I'm going to use some of these shades of this. This is the Baroque palette from ColourPop. I will do a review on this on Friday, but I just want to play with this a little bit more with different colors, just to see because this is not a standalone palette for me. This is more like where I can add different colors and just have fun with it. This is a very cool summer. I think this was perfect for fall, going into fall. So we're just gonna have a little fun. I will post it on the looks that I've done with this palette on Instagram. This is like cracking or anything like that. I'm getting better from the respiratory problem I had for a little bit. Nothing serious. It's just things that just happen. So we're just gonna play with a little makeup and just have fun. That'll be cool just to do. I'm just looking for my eyeshadow primer that I just want to use. So for this one, I'm going to use the Photofocus from WetnWild. This is okay. It's not like one of the best drugstores I ever tried. But I do have like 2 tubes when I have to switch up with things that I have. So I didn't do it on my face because I just know that, yeah, I'm just gonna pat it into. I already did my eyebrows, and of course all the products will be linked below. So I'm gonna pat it into. Okay, now I am going to use this one. This is a very cool tone palette. It's like the very few that I have. So I'm going to use the shade right here. I love these. I love the edit palettes. I do need to get more of these. I can make it the bigger ones. I do like the formula of it. I'm definitely going to pat this because I've noticed with this eyeshadow it kind of moves, so it's kind of weird. So eyelash. I am going to use the blender brush, and I'm going to use Fuji from ColourPop. It's one of my favorite, actually one of my favorite grays tradition, light grays. I'm definitely going to find some more palettes that's more gray tone and just a little bit. I'm just going to blend this a little bit to the edge so it's really seamless. Not really harsh on. I've noticed that Baby and Bougie has been one of my favorite braids to work with. Just having an edge right here. Just putting it right here. This is help. Okay, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Bubble. It's just help it with, instead of using like another product, I just want to use a blue shade. So I love using these as an eyeshadow base. Now I really want to get all of these colors. And I'm going to so I'm going to use this shade right here. It does not have a color, but we're going to use this shade. Well, it's true. I wouldn't mind having these the names at the back if you know what shade to use. Just go down. And the okay. This is a matte, but the eyeshadow, Jumbo eyeshadow has a little bit of glitter. Fine glitter to it. I actually like that. So, okay, we're gonna use Stunner. This shade right here. It has a little kickback, but it's just not a big deal. This has a more relatively undertone. So I thought it was a little bit on. And feedback. I turn it angled up. Ever so slightly. And just we will finish the eyes, but I'm going to do my base and I'll be right back. Okay, finish. I did my contour just a little bit. I didn't do much highlight because I really don't want to go all the way. So we're going to go with blushes and everything else. And the color I'm going to use is Profusion Blush 1. Okay guys, so I finished the face. I did the highlight a little bit right here. I'll tell you one thing, put too much concealer. But somehow I made it work. But I did contour my face a little bit, but not blushing with a highlight, just gonna go for it. Since this is a very, very dramatic eye look, I'm actually gonna go with Popular and a blush one called Profusion, because I just wanna go a little bit, you know, that one I think. Just I don't mind doing a little bit too much because again I'm covering it a little bit up some. But I mean the pop, like these shades from ColourPop, yeah, from Profusion are really, really good. I really like it. Don't put it too high. I'm going to use Heartfelt. No. We're going to use Fish. Those stitches. And then I'm going to actually just go with the darker shade. We're going to use Stunner again, just to just do a light, just like that. Which one's the waterproof? Too Faced Flavor 6. Keep on that. I'm going to use the LiveGlam LiveGlam Matte and Peach Bellini. I'm going to use the LiveGlam prescription. I got these one at one. And then I'm going to use Beauty Creation Ultra Dazzle Lipgloss, and it's so slick. Like, next, out. Let's get this I think that's a little falsies with these. When I'm doing like dark shadows in your head, I don't like don't put like eyeliner on it because it won't really show when it'll be too much. Really close up my eyes. So I just kind of leave it like this. And this is what I've been doing a lot lately, which I do like the most. But when I do eyeliner, I tend to do that. And this is like the Baroque palette and that mix with that blue, that really just like kapow. I really like that. It really made it a really cool tone, which I do like. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like. Which I do like. I am going to keep on using it. I'm going to use 2 more shades. I'm going to go with a purple and a green with that palette, and then I'm going to use it by itself. So most of the looks you'll see will be on Instagram. So, but I will be doing a review and just see how that goes. I really do like that palette. Like some of those palettes that I'm glad I got it because that is a beautiful palette. I know it's looks so freaking bad. I know part of it's like hair. It's driving me nuts. Like, what in the world? But yeah, so guys, I hope you do like this look because, you know, just because one palette may not work for you, try different eyeshadows. Like, try different colors that you think that will work for that particular eyeshadow palette. Not all palettes is a standalone palette. Not all palettes is a standalone palette. So just mix them and mingle. And that's what it is, just mix and mingle. And just do what you'll want to do. But yeah, hope you got some inspiration for this look with the Baroque palettes or anything. Like I said, I plan to do a green one and a purple one. And then I'm going to do it by itself. And then that's basically what I'm going to do. So, but the 2 last looks will be with the green and the purple. To see how that goes, and then I'm going to use it by itself. So yeah, that's the plan. And it's going to be the weekend's plan. But yeah, so guys, if you do like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, we'll be part of the Makeup Addict family, where we just like to have fun and just chit chat, or just see what works. And you know, if you have, you know, want to be part of the family, hit the subscribe button, and of course hit the notification bell so you can notify us of any new videos I upload. And feel free to comment like what colors you want to see with the Baroque palette, and I might do a future video and everything else. So comment below. You do have the Baroque palette, what kind of looks, and if you do have Instagram, please follow me there. And also, if you have any inspirations you want me to try out, I'm gonna try the trend. I really want to try out that cat reverse cat eye. I'm gonna do it because why not? But yeah, so guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and I love you and God bless. Bye.